come back for day 2 at Knott's Berry Farm since we have the all-park season pass for Cedar Fair. So it's like 3 days later than the last time that we were here. And GhostRider is open today. I was so excited when we walked in and I saw that because, as I said the other day, this is like my favorite wooden coaster that I have ever been on. And man, it did not disappoint again today.
A good one.
It's exactly as I remembered it. It is so, so good. Now, this is not to say that there aren't better ones. I haven't ridden every wooden coaster in the United States, but we've been on a lot of wooden coasters. And honestly, I don't know what it is. It's quite long. There's a lot of airtime. There's a lot of ejector airtime. We sat in the very back row.
And it was actually pretty smooth for the back row for a wooden
coaster.
For
wooden coaster, yeah, for sure. But I kind of like that about wooden coasters, that they're, just a little bit janky sometimes and sort of make you feel like you're going to fly out of it. But I got to tell you, I mean, for my money, it's worth coming to this park just to ride
It's a good
GhostRider.
coaster, yeah.
If you're a coaster enthusiast, for sure.
Yeah, and I was going to say, I think maybe, at least this is an off-season. We're here, and it's the beginning of March. I think they might be only running it on weekends, just so you know.
That could be too. And we're expecting it to be busy today, so
yeah.
We got here like 5 minutes before the park opened. We immediately got in line, and we still probably waited about 15 minutes. So
now it's up to an hour, though.
Yeah, so just in the time that we stood in line, it got up to an hour wait. So definitely if you're coming and you're going to ride this, you probably either need an express pass or you want to get here as soon as humanly possible and get on it. But totally worth it. If I had more than 2 thumbs, I would give it more than 2 thumbs up because I love this coaster.